Shockley from MedSpa Magic Marketing, coming at you today with a quick tip for Facebook ads and how to really hone in your geographic targeting. So when you're in your Facebook ads dashboard, at the ad set level is where you're setting up your geographic targeting. You'll notice the defaults only include the option to either pick your current city or a 10-mile radius or greater from the city that you're trying to target. So that can be kind of challenging. So I'm just thinking about if we're a med spa in Brentwood, Tennessee, which is kind of like our affluent neighborhood south of downtown. There are areas that are lower income where we know we're probably not going to pull business from in South Nashville, which are really close to Brentwood, but we probably don't want to spend advertising dollars there. It's not where we pull clientele from. But there might be areas like right here close to the highway that we do. So that I might miss those if I just use the default options of Brentwood, or if I use the mile radius, it takes me too far into the areas I don't want to target. But if you can find specific landmarks, businesses in that area, you can actually type those in to the targeting dashboard. And once those are in, that's the wrong fitness together. This is a gym. So I just know that there's a gym. We do work with a gym in that area. So if I type in fitness together Brentwood, let's see if I can get that to come up again. Right, there's the Orange Theory in Brentwood. Let's use that as the example. Now that I've got a specific spot, I can narrow down my targeting all the way to 1 mile. So that you can use these to create little pockets to target neighborhoods or specific areas of your town or neighboring towns that you know you want to target with your marketing without having to waste ad spend with just using the mile radius. So that's a little quick tip to hone in your Facebook geographic targeting.